Assalamu alaikum. Today we be making healthy and tasty mug cakes. For the chocolate mug cake we will need 3 tablespoons of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, 1 whole egg, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of honey. Brush some coconut oil in a mug. Now add almond flour. Add cacao powder. Add baking powder. Add honey. Add coconut oil. Add egg. Sprinkle a pinch of salt. Add few yummy chocolate chips. Now mix all the ingredients. Looks like all the ingredients are mixed well. Now ask a grown-up to microwave for 1 minute. Mug cake is now ready. You can add chocolate chip toppings if you want. I'm all ready to eat. Now we making strawberry mug cake. To make this we need blended strawberries along with other ingredients. Step 1, brush oil. Add almond flour. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. 1 egg. 2 tablespoons of honey. Pinch of salt. Strawberry puree. One tablespoon coconut oil. Mix well. Microwave for 2 minutes. Decorate with strawberries. Yummy strawberry cake is ready. Bismillah, hope you enjoy it.